Janakpur, known as the birthplace of goddess Sita and a vibrant center of Madhesi culture, blends spiritual heritage with blossoming tourism. The city offers accommodations that range from warm, budget-friendly guest houses to mid-range hotels and luxury resorts. Many cater to pilgrims, history-loving travelers, and families with comfort and personalized service. Staying in Janakpur means immersing yourself in Mathali tradition through architecture, hospitality, and the detail that celebrate local culture. The first one is Hotel Janakpur Inn. Hotel Janakpur Inn stands out as one of the most refined options in the city. Located near the iconic Janaki temple, it features contemporary comfort blended with traditional Mithila design elements. Spacious rooms, elegant decor, and service like a garden, barbecues, and meeting rooms, making it suitable for both families and business travelers. Guests often highlight its smooth check-in, attentive staff, and overall comfort-centric experience. The second one is Hotel Sara. Hotel Sara is a charming mid-range stay known for its affordability and proximity to spiritual landmarks. On the top floor, a dining area offers pleasant views over Janakpur's temple-studded skyline. Its rooms are simple but clean, and the service is constantly warm, making it a wise choice for travelers seeking convenience and comfort without luxury. The third one is Hotel Mystic Mathila. This hotel infuses traditional Mathila art into modern decor, offering a culturally immersive stay. Centrally located, it provides easy access to the heart of Janakpur. The interior reflects local artistry, and guests enjoy a peaceful ambience, well-maintained room, and thoughtful amenities, making it both culturally rich and refreshingly tranquil. The fourth one is Mathila Yatri Niwas. Mathila Yatri Niwas is well-regarded option offering dependable service with cultural resonance. Its rooms are comfortable, and the hotel features helpful amenities like dining spaces, parking, and attentive staff. Guest feedback often praises the organizational warmth and location, especially appreciated for pilgrims and cultural travelers. The fifth one is Anjani Suite. Anjani Suite offers modern rooms with memory foam beds and scenic views, enhancing comfort with a view. This hotel includes perks like meeting facilities and free parking, appealing to families and professionals alike. While some guests suggest minor updates, overall it's seen as a solid blend of comfort and convenience with a contemporary vibe. The next one is Hotel Welcome. Hotel Welcome is a dependable mid-range stay celebrated for value and service. It features a rooftop terrace, in-house dining, and practical amenities like dry cleaning, airport shuttles, and luggage storage. Its clean room and welcoming staff make it especially convenient for travelers looking for a hassle-free stay in Janakpur. The next one is Hotel City Star. As a budget-conscious yet reliable choice, Hotel City Star delivers clean rooms and basic comfort like shared lounge and meeting space. Positioned centrally, it offers excellent access to local attractions. Guests often highlight the pragmatic ambience and helpful staff for business or brief visit. The next one is Hotel Babakor Dhaba. This charming guest house offers homely rooms and a restaurant with hearty meals. It's known for its casual, family-run atmosphere, quick service, and familiarity, offering real local connection rather than just lodging. Practical and affordable, it's especially appealing for travelers wanting warmth and simplicity. Second last is Hotel Raj Darbar and Navrang Resort. Slightly outside the city center, this resort-style hotel stands out for its outdoor pool and garden areas. It caters well to families and longer-term guests seeking space and relaxation. The staff are welcoming and the overall ambience feels like a flame retreat within reach of Janakpur's cultural core. Last one is Mathila Lapsi Tree Resort. Located just beyond the city limits, this resort offers eco-friendly stays enveloped in nature. Spacious rooms and lush surroundings give it a serene boutique feel. Guests value its tranquil environment, refined decor, and attentive service. Ideal for travelers looking to unwind amid Mathila's natural beauty. Janakpur offers a variety of lodging experiences from delightfully humble guest houses to elegant resorts, each infused with Nepali warmth and regional characters. Whether you are here for spiritual reflection, cultural exploration, or peaceful retreat, these top 10 hotels ensure your stay is comfortable, memorable, and authentically rooted in Mathila tradition.